Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about some great new features in Office 365 for Mac and iPad Pro users. First off, Office for Mac has added support for the Touch Bar on MacBook Pros, giving you access to commands in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. For instance, in Word, one tap on the Touch Bar puts you into focus mode, hiding all on-screen ribbons and tools so you can work through your document without distraction. In PowerPoint, the Reorder Objects command gives you a graphical map of all the layers on a slide. This makes it easier to find the right object and move it where you want. With the iPad Pro, you can now take full advantage of multitasking features in Office apps, like Split View, which lets you have two active Office apps on screen at the same time. Or the Slide Over feature, which makes it easier to open a second app while keeping the first app open. Plus, inking tools are now available in Office 365 for both iPad and iPad Pro. You don't even need to select a feature or a control to use these. Just start using your finger or Apple Pencil to work on documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and notes. Inking also helps you refine your shapes. Let's say you're quickly drawing a Venn diagram, but your circles are a little rough. Inking transforms these into perfect circles so you can format graphics in moments. Make sure to check out these new features in Office 365 for Mac and iPad Pro. And if you want to get early access to Office innovations, Office Insider is now available for Mac users. Go to office.com/insider for more information and follow Office Insider on Twitter @OfficeInsider.